Hello, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are start our new subject that is named Mechanical Engineering Materials. Course code is 22343. So in that your third sem schemes, you see there are the total 6 subjects. So first is strength of material, next thermal engineering, next mechanical working drawing, engineering metrology, basic electrical and electronics engineering, and last subject is mechanical engineering materials. So I am your teachers for mechanical engineering materials. So today our first lecture, introductory lectures. In that lecture we have discussed about the various topics that we have to cover in the entire span that we have given from MSBT, and a list of practicals also, how many are practicals we have to conduct it and complete in journals. The manual we have already sent in WhatsApp groups, and syllabus I had already sent in WhatsApp group also. So here you have seen, so this is the teaching and examination scheme. Look at here. So they give the total paper hours, that is 3 hours, and look at that is the ESE, yani ki this is the end semester exam. After the completion of SEM, you have to give final MSBTA paper, that is a 3 hours paper, and this is the objective type paper conducted by MSBT if the exam is offline, but this is subject is a compulsory online subject, so you don't have to give any offline or written paper for that subject. So the total weightage is 17 marks, and instead of 17 marks you have to give 2 sessional exams, that is sessional 1 and sessional 2, and 1 micro project also. So entire average is for 13 marks. So there are the theory total marks is 100, and for passing you have to get minimum 14 marks, addition of 17 plus addition of 13. Okay, so the theory passing weightage is 14 minimum. After that in that subject practical examination also. So there are 2 practical exam in the whole semester, that is the internal exam and external exam. So for internal exam, that is a PA, means progressive assessment. So for progressive assessment you have to submit the manuals with completion of all indexes, observations, results, conclusions, and submit in respective faculty. When your internal and practical examination conducted, you have to check your all the practicals and submitted your journals, and in that you have to get a maximum 25 to minimum 10 marks. Okay, after that one external exam also conducted by MSBT. So look at here, that is the at the rate mark. Okay, so you have to give an external examination also for this practical exam. So one external is coming from other institute, and they maybe take the oral examination or a practical written examination also. So in that both examination the total maximum mark is 15 and minimum mark is 20. So you have to get separate marks greater than 10. Okay, if you are absent for this practical examination, then this subject practical it should be in backlog practical for that result in printed. Okay, next there are a list of practicals. So in whole syllabus you have to complete it and perform total 14 practicals. So first practical is prepare specimen of a given material for microscopic examination. Next use metallurgical microscope to intercept microstructure of steel and alloy steel. इसमें आपको स्टील्स और अलॉय स्टील्स का आपको एग्जामिनेशन करना है. नेक्स्ट There are the Brinell hardness testers practical. Next is Rockwell hardness. Next hardness tester to determine the hardness of mild steel before and after heat treatment. So you have to take two readings. First is before heat treatment and second is after heat treatment. Next, practical number 6, that is use on alloy steel. First is mild steel, then alloy steel. Next, cast iron. Next, aluminium. Next, copper. Okay, and next 10th practical is use relevant pill tester to determine the adhesive strength. So it is just strength calculate practical. You have to perform on cellophane tape or a duct tape or a any smooth surface material. Next, 11 practical is flame test to identify different types of plastics. And next is muffle type box furnace to compare. Okay, so there are the 14 practical. You have to minimum 12 practicals you have to compulsory perform and completed on your journals. So I have conducted practicals one by one. Okay, and all the practicals lectures video you will be get on the WhatsApp groups, and step by step you have to also complete it in journals. I think mechanical engineering material subjects journal we have already sent on the WhatsApp groups, so you have to just print out it, the observation pages and reading and conclusion pages. Next, this is a theory syllabus. So in whole syllabus there are the 6 subjects. So first subject is basic of engineering materials, and there are the 6 contents. 1.1 this is classification of engineering material, then crystal structure, microstructure, sample preparations, properties of metals, and last is hardness testing. Okay, and there are second unit is steels and alloys. So there are 2.4 that is a 4 contents: phase, next equivalent diagram, next classification of steels, stainless steels, properties of steels. Okay, next unit number 3rd, that is a cast iron, and 4 subtopics are types of cast iron, specification, next selection appropriate cast iron materials and codings. Next unit number 4, that is a non-ferrous metal and alloys. Next unit number 5, that is a non-metallic and advanced materials, and last topic is heat treatment processes. So we have to cover the 6 topics in for this subject, and total weightage is given below. So just see here, that is a list of titles: basic of engineering materials, then steel and its alloy, cast iron, non-ferrous metal and alloy, non-metallic and advanced material, heat treatment process. And this is are the teaching hours and total weightage. So first chapter there are 10 marks, second 14, next 10, next 10, and next 12, and last chapter is 14 marks. So there are total 17 marks for all the for all chapters, and you have to give at least minimum 28 marks for passing. Okay, so this is the online subject. You इसके पहले जैसे ऑब्जेक्टिव पेपर होते थे, इस सब्जेक्ट का भी पेपर वैसे ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा आपका. ठीक है. So from tomorrow we conduct our 4th chapter, that is the name of basic engineering materials, and for that subject we have to require minimum 6 lectures. In 6 lectures we have to try to cover the first unit, because your sessional examination is come in that last week of this month, and for sectional examination you have to at least cover up minimum 2 or 3 lessons. So we just try to cover up maximum portion for your first sectional examination. Okay, so at least you have to check all this all these chapters names. Syllabus you have already seen on your WhatsApp groups. Our first chapter will start from tomorrow. Okay, thank you.